From the tangy kick on your sandwich to the secret ingredient in countless recipes, mustard has been a staple in kitchens for centuries. But have you ever wondered how it's made? Today, we're taking you inside the fascinating process at a mustard factory. Mustard starts its journey in the fields, grown as tiny seeds from the mustard plant. There are three main types of mustard seeds: white, brown, and black, each contributing a unique flavor profile. Regions like Canada, France, and India are some of the largest producers of mustard seeds globally. Once harvested, the seeds are cleaned and sorted to ensure only the best quality seeds make it to production. Advanced machines that remove impurities and grade the seeds by size and color. Now comes the transformation. The seeds are crushed and ground, releasing their natural oils. Depending on the recipe, seeds can be ground into a fine powder or left coarse for grainy mustard. The ground seeds are blended with water, vinegar, salt, and sometimes spices like turmeric for color or horseradish for an extra kick. Did you know the spicy heat of mustard is only activated when the seeds are mixed with liquid? Different types of mustard, like Dijon, spicy brown, or honey mustard, are created by tweaking the ingredients and their proportions. Some recipes are aged for days or even weeks to let the flavors meld and develop. Aging is a crucial step. It's where the mustard really develops its bold, tangy flavor. Once the mustard reaches perfection, it's ready for bottling. High-speed machines fill jars and bottles, ensuring consistent portions. Caps are applied and labels are added, all in one seamless process. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control checks to ensure it meets the highest standards before it's shipped off to stores worldwide. Here's a fun fact. Mustard is one of the oldest condiments in history, dating back to ancient Rome. And did you know the mustard seed is even mentioned in the Bible as a symbol of faith? It's not just a condiment, it's a versatile ingredient used in marinades, salad dressings, and even dessert. So the next time you squeeze mustard onto a hot dog or stir it into a recipe, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get to your table. Which type of mustard? Is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods are made.